Hi, Vinod. Hi, Vinod. You can unmute yourself. I just made you. Can you hear me, Vinod? Sanjit, can you hear me?
Yes, Satish. Yeah.
Hi Satish, good evening. I can hear you.
How's it going?
Yeah, it's going good.
Yeah.
I have couple of things to just ask. I have already posted in the Facebook channel as well.
That get hyphen service, that one, right?
No.
Okay. I'll take a look at it. Just give me a minute. Would you like to narrate the question meanwhile while I'm opening it?
Yeah. Actually, I have installed the latest version, right? So PowerShell 7.0 and 7.1, and I am trying to run that command get event log, but it is not working. It is saying it is not recognized.
Okay. Can you share your screen so that I can see what is happening?
Okay.
I'm making you as a co-host. Okay. Now you can share your screen.
You able to see my screen now?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
So this is PowerShell 7. This is old version. Right?
Okay.
Point one. This 7.11. Here it is working. Actually, I have uninstalled. This is initially I have installed 7.0.4 x84 and then x64, but both are not working. And then I try to install 7.1. That also it is not working.
Okay. Did you check whether this command is there? Type get hyphen get help. Okay. Leave a space. No, not event log. Just event. I mean, just put star event.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Just give me a minute. I think I'll give you the command. Okay. I think it doesn't have that command, or you're running as an administrator, right?
Yes.
PowerShell 7.1 get. Okay. First of all, it should work. Okay. Type get hyphen module, and leave a space, hyphen available, hyphen list available. Yeah, hit enter. Okay, and okay, press the up arrow again. Okay, this is your test machine, right?
No. This is my office laptop.
I mean, if we import these modules, will it be a problem?
No problem.
Okay, just pipe it and then just let it be the same thing, and then pipe it to import hyphen module. Hit enter. That's it. Yeah. So instead of I say what exactly the answer is, I'm just trying to say what is the approach we are using. Okay. So everything, right? All the commands coming from the module, right? So module or a snapin. So since the command is not available, the PowerShell is not able to recognize, what we are trying to do is we are trying to make sure all the modules are imported. Okay, so that is what we are trying. Let's see how it goes. Okay, and meanwhile, go to the other one, other console, and then you can type get hyphen module, same thing. Just get hyphen module, hit enter. Okay, let's let's see these three are available there or not. Okay, first let it import and then we will see. So this is the initial version you had, and then you installed this
Yes.
parallelly, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so you can go with other questions. Okay, we will see. It will take some time to import.
For other question, I think I've saved my file. Let me open it. Now, sort object and format object, these two commandlets. So, do we need to follow any rule? I mean, first we need to format and then sort, or first we need to sort the entire thing and then format?
Okay, so format is to display, right? Format is to at the end to display in the console, correct? So it should be the last command in any scenario. Okay.
Okay, format should be the last command. Yeah, that's what I was morning. I was testing this thing, so it didn't work. And then format and then sort, it worked actually. First sort and then format, it worked.
Okay, so again, the format, right? It is all about to display at the end in your console, right? So it is about formatting the output, right? So it should be at the end, right? That's the thing.
Okay, and then I come across this thing, customized column value. So,
Mhm.
are we going to discuss this thing in the coming class?
It's it's already discussed in
This
right now in the hash
uh,
table. Have you covered the hash table already?
hash table? No, I don't.
Okay, it will be covered in the hash. Okay, there is something called
Okay,
hash table. It will be covered
okay,
in.
okay, okay. Fine.
Okay,
What is happening here?
it will take our time. Okay, so basically we will import it and then we will try. Okay, if it is still not working, we will see. I'll check and I'll let you know. Okay,
Okay, can I start?
you understand, right? What we are trying to
Yes,
do
yes,
here.
yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, so that is important. So that is all right. Okay,
Okay,
so
once it is imported, I'll check whether that thing is
yeah,
available or not.
once it is imported, okay, just type get hyphen module, okay, and make sure those three modules, whatever we are seeing, right, the other three in
Yeah.
the other console, these three are available, okay.
Okay, okay,
All right, so if they are available, it should be there, okay, and we'll see how it goes. Okay. If not, I'll say which is the exact module we need to troubleshoot. Okay,
okay. Fine. Thank you.
all right, okay, it's there already. So just type get hyphen module. Okay, do we have those three? Right, PowerShell utility is there. PS readline is there. PS readline is there. Management is there. Okay, right. Okay, so it has 7.0. Okay, get hyphen. Yeah, go for it. Get hyphen event log. Okay.
It is 7.11. 7.0 also I was facing the same issue. And then I tried to install this thing.
I,
This one.
I think I remember the solution. Okay, give me some time. I'll check why it is happening. Okay, maybe the command is not supported, or let me check. Okay, let me try in my machine. I'll do it that.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, sure, sure. Yeah.
All right. Excellent. You are trying a lot of things. Okay, so let me know if at all anything. Okay. So I was a bit busy today, so I couldn't check the Facebook, but I'll try to respond as quick as possible. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure, no problem. Thank you, Satish.
Thank you.
I'm I'm talking my share now.
Yeah, sure, please. So Ankur, Anirban, you can unmute yourself and then you can, Ankur, you can start.
Good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening, Ankur. How are you?
Fine. My question is, when you said 1 MB is a global variable, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So why it is not necessary to start with dollar sign?
It is not a variable. Okay. I mean, it is, let's say it is not a variable. It is predefined value. Okay, so it is
Okay.
something whenever we declare something, right? So it is just like that. I'm talking you are talking to PowerShell and we have to say this particular keyword is a variable, right? So PowerShell has to understand, okay, this is whatever we are using, right? It is a variable. So for that we are using dollar symbol. Okay.
Okay.
So that is why whenever that is how it works. Okay, whenever we want to put dollar, we are saying to PowerShell that this is actually a variable. Okay, so that is whenever we are declaring. That's why we are using dollar. And whatever they are doing, right, that is already inbuilt. Okay, they already made it as a variable. Okay, so that is why we call them as a global variable, and that is why it's not starting with dollar. They
Okay.
it is not necessarily it has to know because they built it already.
Okay. In this regarding, my second question is, can we create a global variable?
No, we cannot create a global variable. We can create the user variable, the one we are creating, right? We can create
Yeah.
the script variable and the console variable, but we cannot create a variable that will be stored. Global variable is something which will be available all the time. That is something uh, we it is not mandatory, first of all, and it is not possible for us to create the same without dollar symbol, all those things. It's not possible.
Okay. Thank you.
How is it going, Ankur? Everything you're able to practice things?
Yeah. It's very good.
Okay.
Actually, I posted the question when I found the solution. Actually, you said that the WMI is enabled in our premises. So I thought, why can't we not enable to the WinRM? When
Mhm.
I start session with
Mhm.
a remote computer with WMI, I can enable WinRM. Then I start PS session. Then in the end of the session through WMI, I can again disable the service. So I
Okay.
was need to enable firewall rule with WMI object.
Uh-huh. Okay.
So it's fine. It's working now.
Okay. Working, right? Okay. Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. If you explore WMI, right, that is actually opens lots of opportunity to do a lot of automation. So yeah, excellent. Good.
Yeah. In the WMI, I have one question. The name
Yeah,
is
go
space.
ahead.
What is
Mhm.
the name space? Can you cover it,
Namespace
Mr.
is you remember the class, right? I say the
Yeah,
class.
yeah, yeah,
Just
yeah.
imagine simply a namespace is just like a folder. Okay, under the folder we have the subfolders. Like similarly, a namespace is a top hierarchy. Under that we will be having lot of WBI objects. Okay.
Okay. Uh, okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. Uh, Anirban.
Hey, good evening, sir.
Hi. Good evening, Anirban. How are you?
Fine, sir. Actually, my practice is still going on with the PS. And one thing I'd like to know about if, say that in my present organization, we mostly prefer to use the PowerShell 6 and
Okay.
many of that here. So if we're going to use the P7 directly on the same system, so
Mhm.
it will require to migrate that 6 to 7 directly, or I need to uninstall the PS6. I know that it's by default already there on the server side.
Okay.
so we can't like remove it that from the sister server.
Okay. Okay, so this is how we need to see. Okay, there are few versions that will coexist and few versions that it has to be upgraded. Okay, so for
Okay.
an example, 2.0 and 7.0, those kind of things. Okay, they might not able to coexist. So
Hmm.
how we have, let's say, in the Microsoft, we will be having a document. Okay, these are all the things will can coexist and cannot coexist. Okay, so if you check 6.0, the exact version you are using and the one you're gonna go ahead and do it. If they can coexist, you can install both of them and you can use both of them. And in the list, if it is, I'll try to check that list. I'll give you, okay, so that you can also verify. So basically, we'll check that list, and if it is there, you can use as a coexisting. If not, you need to go ahead and uninstall and install the new one.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
This is not only for this one. Whenever you are doing, I mean, whenever you are going with the two versions, this is how you need to approach. Okay.
Okay, great. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Yeah.
No question from my end, sir.
All right. All right. Thank you. And Paul, you can ask, start with your question. How is it going?
Fantastic, sir.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Are you able to unmute yourself, Paul?
Yeah, I'm already on mute, sir.
Yeah. Sorry. Okay. I mean, there
I
is
think,
one more name. Yeah.
yeah, I
Right.
think he joined from two
Yeah,
devices.
hi sir. Good evening.
Yeah. Hi. Good evening, Paul. Yeah.
Yeah, hi. Till now I have completed only 50% of the classes.
Okay.
Uh, till now it is okay for me.
Awesome.
Uh,
Awesome.
due to my office timings, I'm not able to follow remaining classes. But
Okay.
in my spare time, I'm able to. I mean, I'm following the classes. If I
Okay.
get any doubt, I will
Sure.
take it up the next session, sir.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So let me know. And if at all you have anything, yeah, let me know either in the live session or in the Q&A in the Facebook.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
All right. So excellent, excellent. Thanks for the update. And then, all right,
Yeah.
guys. So,
You're welcome, sir.
all right. So about we know about the approach, right? What I want you to do is right. That's good. We are exploring things, and then we are trying to learn two things. Okay, at the same time, and then trying to go with two versions. Okay, not to discourage or anything. Okay, but at the end, right, we are driven to do the automation, right? So whichever is working. So if the 7.0, I would like you to not to focus on the things that is, let's say, update hyphen help is not working. I mean, not about you. Few will be focusing on the things that is not required. Okay. So let's focus on things that will be helping you to automate things. Okay. So if it is not working, for an example, okay, don't let it stop you to go ahead and learn the other things. Okay. So if something is working in, let's say, 5.1 and 7.0 and it is not working, don't spend more time on it, because to get the real time scenario and troubleshoot right, that is very very less. Okay, 0.01% only will happen, and even in that scenario all we do is we just ignore it and go to the working version and go with the automation. Okay, so you get my point, right? So it's not about making the thing work in a particular version. It's about making the automation at the end to work. Right, Vinod? You got my point?
Yes, Satish, I got your point.
Yeah. So the thing is, yes, it's very good to go in depth all those things, but not that much worth of time to invest things and then try to get into more on it. Okay, because
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
okay, so keep focusing on, because I think you have pretty good potential on analyzing things. So put it in actual production that will actually take you to the automation where you can put your actual energy in there and time in there. Okay. I
Yeah,
mean,
yeah,
we will
sure.
be helping you on this, but I'm just saying the way if you change a little bit and then focus on the right thing, it will help you more on your career. Okay.
Sure, Satish. Thank you.
Okay. I mean, again, don't take it as a negative thing. I'm just saying.
No, no, no.
All right. Thank you, guys. So thanks for everything. And about the version compatibility, I'll check that and then I'll put it in the group. And for Vinod, I'll check what is that missing in my test machine and I'll let you know. Okay. All right.
Sure.
All right. So thanks all, and then have a wonderful evening, and then talk to you in the next session, guys. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. Take care.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.